right, guys, so it's been a while, but I just wanted to do a little update. So this is what's going on right now. We got the shop being built, and let me take you over there and I'll explain a little bit about what I have going on. So it's going to be a 24 by 24, and currently I'm in my 2-car garage. So this is a little bit of an upgrade. I think my 2-car garage right now is 21 by 21. So this will definitely give me some more space. And also I won't have all my lawnmowers and all that kind of stuff in there. So this will be strictly dedicated to the wood shop, which is just gonna be amazing. So coming in here, this is where we're at so far. We got it all framed. We got the sheathing up and everything. And as you can see on the ground here, we are painting the windows black because we don't want to pay for black trimmed windows, which are like double the price. So gonna get clear coat on those soon. But yeah, this is it. Don't quite know what I'm gonna do in here yet as far as like the walls. I know I'm just probably gonna sheetrock them and paint them white. But I was thinking it'd be way cool to have like my logo painted on the back wall here. And yeah, I don't know. But if you guys have any ideas on what would be really cool on that back wall, let me know in the comments below, because I'm open to all sorts of ideas just to make it one of a kind. So yeah, this is it so far. All right, so for the outside of the shop, we're just gonna go with like, I don't know if it's called like board and batten or hardy board, but anyways, we're gonna put that on the outside and get that painted. And then on this side, actually, this is the north side of the shop. Right here, we're gonna be building a big lean-to, kind of like a covered carport, but it's actually gonna be for our animals. We have a few pack goats over there that we use for hunting, and they're a pain in the butt. I'll show you those in a minute. Don't ever get goats if you want a nice yard. But anyways, so we'll be a lean-to here, and we're gonna get horses too eventually, and that will house the horses, and then they can roam all this area. We'll open up the gate there. But yeah, and then for the roofing, we decided to go with a corrugated steel roof. Rainy. So we decided to go with the corrugated steel roof, and that's gonna last a lot longer than shingles. And as long as I have this shop, I'll probably never have to redo the roof again. So that's why we went with the corrugated steel. And yeah, that's the outside of the shop. So I just wanted to come on and yeah, share what's been going on. I know I haven't been really active on YouTube lately. The main reason for that is I've been building this. After my day job is over, I come out here at nights and build this, as well as I have all my client projects going on right now. So I haven't made much time for YouTube videos, but that's why I wanted to come on here and thank you guys for continuing all the support. And I promise, once I get this up and going, videos will be coming out, and hopefully continue to grow the channel, because that is the main goal, is to continue to grow that and produce awesome content for you guys. And with this new shop coming out, it's gonna provide a lot of options and a lot of build projects coming out of here. So again, thank you guys for all the support, and I really appreciate you guys continuing to follow along.